things are so freaking cute. That little thing right there in the water. He fell right in the water, that little one.
I thought monkeys don't like water.
You know, this guy's going upside down. Wow. This reminds me of when Lauren was little. My daughter Lauren.
They were monkeys?
Yeah. Look at that fish. That one's big, that one. I don't think you can see it on camera. There's monkeys all over the place. They look like little squirrels, little rats.
Look at that little one there.
Yeah, he's in the back.
Baby, he's born. Look at that hair on there. They don't come near this. They're going that rope, but they won't go near this water. It's gonna drown.
Yeah. It's too deep.
Macaque. This is macaque.
What are they?
Macaque. Oh, it says, God, all consuming God for sure to play.
What do they do? They eat crab?
Yeah. The leader is the one that has the tail held up high.
Yeah.
He's the man, the dominant man.
Hey, look at that one up there on the roof.
Oh, shit.
They're right above us.